What up, y'all? Jake Bartunik here, bringing you more RV knowledge and know-how. As RV enthusiasts, we embark on exciting journeys, exploring new destinations and creating cherished memories along the way. However, it's important to consider trailer wear and tear, especially what your RV's underbelly may go through on your travels. From corrosion, road debris, heavy winds, exposure to the elements, and even critters. Spider. These factors can have detrimental effects to crucial components housed beneath your RV. The RV industry is starting to do this thing that we call decontenting, and missing this one item can drastically change your RV experience. This is everything you need to know to level up your RV knowledge on enclosed underbellies. In this video, we will highlight the significance of having a heated and enclosed underbelly as a powerful defense against the threats you will face on the adventurous road ahead. By safeguarding your RV's underbelly, you can extend your RV's lifespan, protect vital components, and enjoy more worry-free adventures while avoiding possible costly repairs. Pro tip: enclosed underbellies are actually pretty easy to spot. All you got to do is take a knee, kind of get up under there and check it out. You see a little plastic between the two main beams of the actual chassis itself. You see the plastic layer is corrugated plastic typically. It's usually black. You can tell the way it is by the way it is. All right, this is an enclosed underbelly. See this is not an enclosed underbelly. You got water lines, you got electrical lines. The tank back here is exposed. If a rock or something road debris came up and just took this wire out, you probably never know, and that's your brake line. Not good. So this, not an enclosed underbelly. So think of it like this. Think of having or think of not having an enclosed underbelly, sort of like wearing a Scottish kilt without any underwear while riding a bike. Yikes! There's a lot of sensitive material there. You got piping, you got plumbing, holding tanks, gas lines. Not only that, it can get a bit drafty up there. Plus, if it's raining, you might get a little damp too, and that's not good. Sorry for that mental picture, but it gets the point across. There's a lot of things up there that can really get damaged if you didn't have an enclosed underbelly. A lot of manufacturers are starting to do this thing that we call decontenting. Right now, the money's kind of tight, so they're trying to take off little things here and there to save themselves some money, right? So an enclosed underbelly, it's a corrugated plastic that goes across the bottom of it. May not seem like a big feature and have like an expensive feature to have, but if you do that across thousands of trailers, you're saving, say, $3 a pop across thousands and thousands of trailers. It adds up a lot. So be sure to check it out and see if it has one. Food for thought. If the underbelly is missing on there, if it wasn't put on there by the manufacturers, what else might they be not putting in that RV? Stay educated, folks. So let's bring up corrosion and degradation. So picture this: you're driving along and all of a sudden a whole bunch of rocks, sand, salt, moisture roll up. They start attacking your RV's vital components all up underneath there without an enclosed underbelly. There's wiring, there's pipes, there's tanks. They would all fall victim to rust and corrosion eventually if they were not enclosed. It's like your RV's battling a relentless onslaught of Mother Nature's finest workers out there when they're on the road. But with an enclosed underbelly, you have a shield against those corrosive agents. Your RV's vital components are protected and they'll stay intact, and you can keep rolling down the road and not worry about costly repairs. And let's not forget about those hurricane force winds that the RV is going to go through going down the road. Wind is a very sneaky force that can possibly expose your RV's precious systems to the elements. But the Go Play's got that covered. The underbelly is enclosed and connected to the I-beam frames with galvanized steel nails every 12 inches. This creates a good and strong connection so that your RV's underbelly stays intact through those high winds. Another thing, with being nailed every 12 inches, this acts as a barrier from nasty little critters such as mice, insects, squirrels, rats, raccoons. These critters can cause major issues in your underbelly. This actually reminds me of a story back home when I was an outfitter for Bishs, selling RVs back there. We had a nice fifth wheel, a big, nice 44-foot luxury type fifth wheel that came in, and the underbelly of this thing was compromised at some point in time. Well, a family of raccoons decided to move in, and they liked it so much that they wanted to expand their home. So what they did is they started scratching at the floor from the bottom side up, and they got through. The repairs were a lot. So it's important to take a look at how that underbelly is attached when you're looking to purchase an RV. But hold on, there's more. The Go Play series comes with a secret weapon. Not only is the underbelly enclosed, it's heated. With this great feature, you create a controlled environment that protects your RV from extreme temperatures. No more warping, cracking, or freezing pipes or tanks. You can take on Mother Nature and extend your camping season like a boss. This system is created to have direct heat blown onto the tanks themselves. This isn't to say your pipes and lines will not freeze with the heated and enclosed underbelly. This is an extended season package. It is not a full-on 4-season camper. Pipes can and will freeze if you expose these trailers to cold enough temperatures. An extended season package basically means you can camp earlier in the spring and later in the fall. I like that a lot, but depending on where you are, you could probably use this for a 4-season, like, you know, way south, like Texas, way south. But yeah, not Nebraska. For me, this is huge. Being from Nebraska, the last thing I wanted to do in the heart of summer is camping. It's hot, humid, sticky, you know, this is kind of gross. But spring and fall camping, woo! So with all that being said, if you're looking for a trailer that can withstand really cold temperatures, then the Go Play may not be the best camper for you. But this is one area that manufacturers are really skipping. Again, it may not seem like a very big feature, but having an enclosed underbelly has several advantages that can protect you from loads of troubles in the end. Here's a little bonus perk that you might not have thought of. With an enclosed underbelly, it actually gives you better aerodynamics and better fuel efficiency. So we've all seen those trucks, the big semi trucks going down the road. They got the weird little fans and fins and all that. Well, what those do is actually help with aerodynamics and basically airflow, right? So with an enclosed underbelly, without having all that exposed, all the tanks, you have the tanks and the lines and the other pipes in there, it kind of creates a weird airflow into there. It could create more drag. With that enclosed underbelly, nice smooth surface, gives you a smoother airflow. It does, over time, create better fuel efficiency. Oh yeah! So, my fellow adventurers, when buying an RV, you should highly consider a heated and enclosed underbelly. If you can't get the heated, at least get an enclosed underbelly so it can protect those vital components housed beneath your RV. Better yet, when you're out there comparing and looking for your next purchase and price is important to you, think about this. If the Go Play has all these features at an awesome price point, then why should you have to settle for less? Get yourself a heated and enclosed underbelly, and not only will your RV thank you, you'll thank you. You'll enjoy more worry-free journeys knowing that your home on wheels is protected against the worst the road can throw at it. So, with all that being said, stay safe out there and keep those wheels turning. Follow us along as we level up your RV knowledge and keep the rubber side down, my friends.